Here's the video outreach script that I use to land all of my clients. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting and growing an online high-ticket business. Now, in this short video, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about the script that I use to go ahead and land my marketing clients, my marketing agency clients. This is literally the script that I use word for word to go ahead and get my meetings and get my schedule booked out. Now, right now, I know I haven't given you guys an update of the challenge of for sales because I'm in a position right now with my marketing agency that wouldn't be fair for me just to take on all of these clients, right? I'm getting a whole bunch of meetings. I'm getting like at least 5 minutes per week from the Loom video outreach strategy. But it's just, I'm at a point in my agency that I just don't want to go ahead and take on clients just to take it on just for the show and then fire them after a month or 2 months, or just take their money just because I want to go ahead in front of you guys. I don't think that's fair. So now when obviously I see a client, I see an ideal client that they're actually booking a call with that, then I'm going to go ahead and jump on the call to see if we're a good fit. And if we're a good fit, then I'm going to make them an offer to see if they say yes or if they say no, right? But right now I'm at a point in my agency that I can easily just show you guys, hey, I just got 10 new clients in the past 3 weeks. All right, but it's just me taking money from people who are not qualified to work with me, or people who I just don't want to work with because we don't have a genuine connection, or I just don't like their brand, or I don't like what they're selling, or I don't like something about it. Like, for example, when I jump on a phone call in a strategy session with a lot of these e-commerce brands, if I see something that I don't like, or if I see that they're not hitting a certain threshold, or they're not sitting, like their conversion rate is too low, or they're not getting enough traffic before me and all of that stuff, then I automatically tell them, hey, I don't think we're going to be a good fit. Or maybe if their average order value is a little bit too low, then I tell them, hey, I don't think we're going to be a good fit, because I have these standards that I work with a certain type of people. I don't just take on any client just to take them on just because I need the money, because obviously right now I don't. I'm not in that certain situation where I need to go ahead and get them to give me money right away, or I'm going to go ahead and go crazy, right? So I wanted to let you guys know that that's kind of the main reason why I haven't done a challenge update at this point. Now, in today's video, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys and tell you guys what is the script that I use. I know a lot of people have asked me, hey Jonathan, what's the script that you use? Jonathan, what's the script that you use? And I'm going to go ahead and actually put it down below so you guys can go ahead and download it. It's going to be in a Google Drive, so you guys can go ahead and download it, use it, implement it for your business, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Now guys, the first thing you guys have to understand is when you guys go ahead and create, the first thing you guys have to understand is that when you guys go ahead and actually use the script, right? You have to be consistent, right? You can't expect to send 10 Loom videos and get 10 meetings. It's not going to happen. You have to understand these numbers. I've been talking to somebody through the DMs that he just keeps telling me, hey, I just sent out 20 Loom videos and I didn't get nothing. Because I'm like, yo, you have to be patient. He's like, okay, what about, do I have to change my subject line? Do I have to change this? Guys, you have to understand that you have to be patient when it comes to outreach, right? You have to send at least, in my opinion, I like to send at least 250 of one certain email with a certain script, with a certain offer, with a certain thing before I say it doesn't work or it does work. Out of 250, if I don't get a certain result, right? If I don't get a certain result, if I don't get a certain reply rate, then I tell you, okay, let's go ahead and trace this, let's change this, let's change this, and then I go ahead and keep that for 250 more. But you have to understand that you have to change one thing at a time because you don't know what's working. If your open rates are not working, then change the subject line and try it again for 250 times. And keep going like that until you find your best iteration for your business. Now, before I start recording, I actually like to just remind myself just to be myself, right? Just to be myself, slow down, because I tend to talk really fast. So I tell them, hey, I tell myself, just slow down, take a breather, and then just hit record. Don't think about it. Like 3, 2, 1, boom, record. Okay? Just go for it. Don't overthink it. So the first thing I always say is kind of like, hey, name, and then I hope you're doing well, right? So I will start, hey, Jeff, I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for taking your time to watching this video. I came across your business through Instagram and I absolutely love what you guys are doing in terms of your branding, in terms of blah 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 blah. Now, I did notice a few things about your brand and your business marketing strategy that I want to go ahead and point out to you guys. I see that you guys are probably leaving a lot of money on the table by not fixing this. So that's why I recorded this short video for you guys. And that's just that's kind of like the first interaction that I always follow. And then I go ahead and kind of introduce myself. So I kind of say, hey, my name is Jonathan. I run a marketing agency that focuses on helping e-commerce do this, this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And I wanted to go out and as soon as I saw your business on Instagram, I immediately knew that I could go ahead and help you guys. That's why I'm making this short video for you guys. So actually, let's go ahead and get started with this video, and I don't want to waste any of your time. And then I go into really breaking down 3 things that I see from a marketer's point of view on their website, on their brand, on their marketing, on their ads. 3 things that I see from my point of view that they can improve on. And I really just go into depth and really break those 3 things down and actually give them some value. The most important thing right here is that I want to go ahead and demonstrate that I can help them by actually helping them. So I want to go ahead and make sure that I'm actually giving a lot of value at this point, and I'm not really holding anything back. And then this is how I transition. So I'm like, okay, these are the 3 things, right? Your website looks amazing, your marketing, you're not running ads, and then lastly is your Instagram content, whatever it is, right? So I go ahead and really break those 3 things down. And then I say, now I can go ahead and keep naming a lot more stuff that I see from a marketer's point of view, but I don't want to make this video an hour long. So what I want to go ahead and do, and that's how I transition into my offer. And then I'm transitioning into my offer. So I say something like, so what I want to go ahead and do is actually jump on a call with you guys. So I'd love to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and give you guys more strategies just like this on how you guys can go ahead and grow your revenue in the next 90 days by at least 30%. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link down below where you guys can actually book in a call. It's not going to be too long. It'll probably be like maybe 15 or 20 minutes. And it's also going to be a sales call. I'm actually going to give you guys value. I just want to obviously learn more about your business and take a deeper look into what you guys are doing currently and how I can actually help you guys. And then I'll leave that link down below so you guys can go ahead and schedule a call and pretty much end the Loom video right there. I'll leave that link down below so you guys can go ahead and schedule a call. And other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later. That's pretty much it, guys. It's literally simple. So it's kind of introduction. I tell them who I am, right? So I say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. And then I say, hey, by the way, my name is Jonathan. I do this. And then value, and then transition, and then offer, and then close. It's literally that simple. Guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll leave that link. I'll leave the link for the document down below so you guys can actually take a look at it and use it for your business, because I think that will be extremely valuable. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here. And I know this video was a little bit shorter, but hopefully you guys found some value from it. I'll leave that link down below so you guys can go ahead and download the Loom video script that I use so you guys can use it yourself. And other than that, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later.